All you fucking Grinches out there, doesn't get more festive than that. Oh, it's gonna be so close. Maybe 6 inches away. Color matched truck mod. There's gonna be fucking glitter everywhere. What's up, Bread Gang? Welcome back to the channel. First of all, happy Thanksgiving. And I know you guys can tell by the title, you can tell by the thumbnail, I'm gonna jump right into it. We've been dropping bangers lately. Thank you for all the support. Thank you guys for showing love, like, comment, views, subs, all that shit. It's been through the roof. And I love you guys for it, super thankful for it. Today we're jumping straight into Christmas. We're not even in December yet. We're jumping into Christmas. But it's what needs to happen. Today we got the super cheap truck mod Christmas edition. That's it. You guys love the Walmart videos. You guys love the super cheap truck mod challenges that we do. We did the lottery ticket challenge. If you haven't seen that, we've done a bunch of Walmart challenges. We've done a Target challenge. We've done a couple others too, maybe not me and Ted, but me and just people in general. If you guys like these kind of videos, make sure you drop a comment below and let me know what you want to see. Let me know what you want to see. We'll go above and beyond, But anyway, today's mission, we're gonna go into Walmart as cheap as possible, hence super cheap. We gotta find a truck mod, me and Ted. We gotta find a truck mod. Super cheap, but Christmas related.
Sure.
Something cool, probably Christmas lights. I mean, you can think outside the box on this one. I mean, I'm really gonna spend some time thinking about this. You guys can tell it's kind of overcast. It's early morning right now. I kind of want to do this later on in the day, kind of when it gets dark, just because I feel like there's gonna be Christmas lights involved, so that's probably gonna be the best idea. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the day, I'm gonna scroll through Instagram, I'm gonna just get some motivation, get some inspiration, and then I'm gonna come back to you guys. Sound good?
That sounds good.
Today we're gonna think about it.
Yes, sir.
We're gonna come back.
Yes, sir.
I'll see you guys when it's dark. All right, guys, a couple hours later, I got Ted with me now. Say hello, Ted. Hello, Ted's here. Ted's actually gonna do this with us. I think I said that earlier, maybe not, I don't know. We have our mission. We have to go inside Walmart and find the cheapest Christmas mod possible for our truck. Super cheap Christmas mod, lifted truck edition, super cheap truck mod, Christmas truck edition, whatever you want to call it. Are you ready for the challenge?
I don't know.
I think we're gonna get this bread today. I have an idea in mind that I think we're gonna go with already. I'm kind of spoiling it, but just stay tuned. What the hell is this?
And they don't want us to do it.
Wow. Wow. All right, I guess I'm gonna spoil the secret for you guys. The goal today is, so I saw this on Instagram. I'm gonna throw his Instagram somewhere on the screen here because I got this inspiration from Instagram, so I can't take the idea completely, but we're gonna be the first ones to do it on YouTube. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take the Shark Tail hitch and we're going to put a Christmas tree in the Shark Tail hitch.
Okay.
So instead of a flagpole, it's gonna become a Christmas tree pole holder, Christmas tree holder. You guys get the concept. We're gonna put a Christmas tree in the Shark Tail hitch flagpole mount, and we're gonna run a Christmas tree on the back of the truck. It doesn't get more fucking festive than that. That is Christmas. So all you fucking Grinches out there, but that means we gotta find a Christmas tree for like 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Because this is a super cheap Christmas mod, truck mod challenge. So it has to be super cheap. So we gotta find a Christmas tree for as cheap as possible, some lights for as cheap as possible. Now, the Shark Tail hitch is not included in this. That just means you guys need to go look into getting one. They're super, the design is amazing. This isn't gonna be a super sponsory thing for Shark Tail hitch, but the Shark Tail hitches are the best flagpole on the market right now. I will say that. But flagpole hitch, flagpole mount is recommended for this. But for the sake of the video, cheap mod, Christmas tree, lights. Let's go. We could almost use something like that. That's like a, no, I don't think this is big enough though. This is definitely not big enough. Something like that.
I think I found them.
That one's got a unicorn on it. Christina might want this one. It's got a unicorn on it. She might like that. Christina, do you want that? She'll probably want that. Look at that. Are these $5?
Yeah.
No, these are 15? I don't know. Oh my goodness, look, there it is. There it is. 3-foot pre-lit Winston Pine, 20 bucks. I think that has to be the move right there. Look, this one's 30. You like that one better? Or do you want the, look, that's 20 bucks. That's what we need right there. I just said 20 bucks.
20 bucks.
And that's 20 bucks.
sir.
The little, you got the little, or we go for the frosted for 27. Now me personally, I'm a frosted fan. I like the frosted trees, but for the sake of the video today, cheap as possible, 20 bucks. I think that's what we gotta go with. So we have the tree picked out, now we need to find some lights to go on it because I don't think this one comes with lights. I mean, that one says pre-lit, so hopefully when we find the boxes that have those, hopefully it's pre-lit. If not, we'll have to get some lights. So let's see if we can find some lights just in case you guys can't find a pre-lit tree. Because we're pre-lit, I'm pre-lit. I'm pre-lit. Pretty lit. We're so late. Gold sparkly for 60? That ain't bad though.
And it's decent size?
That ain't bad. That, what is that, a 6 foot? 6.5 foot, that's taller than me. Oh, $16. That might be for the Jeep right there.
I might have to get that for the Jeep.
That might be for the Jeep. That's pretty, actually that's not bad. Or this one's 25.
Yeah.
For 25. Decisions. All right. Made it back to the house. Like I said earlier that you should probably get one of these, but this isn't needed because I think you're gonna do it without one of these. So the goal here is to put a tree there and have it light up. That's the goal. It is kind of cold though, it's getting cold.
Yeah, it's getting a little nippy.
We got our shark tail hitch, and then we got a tree here. Mine's got some lights wrapped up in. I can't remember if this is, it is pre-lit actually, yeah. Yeah, so this, awesome. I thought it actually had lights around it, but it's pre-lit, but it's got the cord hanging off. So we just gotta, a little, these come out. I don't remember. Oh, that was easy. That last one was just like, no. I wanted to do this in the daytime because you could get the install a lot better during the daytime. Oh, does this have this thing on the bottom? Can I take this off? This might work. Might work. We'll see. We'll see. All right.
Make it easier for them to follow along if they want to.
Insert shark tail hitch. Christmas tree in the hole. Go down a little bit. This would be better if I didn't have a lawnmower sitting over there.
Yeah.
Is it too? I don't know if it's gonna. I don't know if it'll go down any farther than what it is, so it might just have to kind of.
Well, we always have a backup tree.
Bam. We do have a backup tree, yeah.
All right, so while he's gone, everybody go follow me on Instagram at that.black.brigade. We're trying to grow. If you want to go follow me on Instagram, it's thatblackbrigade. Oh look, he's coming back out. Make sure to go follow me.
Don't get the
yeah, I got you.
mailbox. Oh, it's just gonna be long enough. Y'all ready for the thought I stepped in dog shit. Ta-da! Nope. There it goes. Now obviously you can go as big and extravagant as you want with this, but I think for the sake of a super cheap truck mod, I mean that's pretty cool. I don't know if this is better because a couple years ago I actually lined the whole outline of my truck with Christmas lights. I don't know if that's, I think that's better than this, but I mean, for the sake of the video, I think that's pretty freaking cool. Ooh. Oh yeah. Fancy. Look at that shit. Now that's bright. That's just one piece.
Yeah.
Got a whole nother piece.
Just toppers.
There's gonna be fucking glitter everywhere. Look how cool that is though.
Yeah.
Get in. We gotta get in the light though. Is there a in the hole? Look at that. It's so sparkly in the light.
Right.
It's not even.
The truck.
It does match the truck very well.
Color matched Christmas tree.
Color matched truck mod right there. Thumbnail. Oh wow. I mean, it could definitely be spruced up a little bit, but yeah. Let's plug it in. Plug that thing in. I'm gonna step back a little bit so we can get a full, oh hell yeah. Just so y'all can see it without the light. That's absolutely the move right there. Oh hell yeah.
Rocking a Christmas tree on the shark tail hedge. What are you doing?
Yeah, if you don't have a Christmas tree on the back of your truck, do you even Christmas, bro? That's freaking cool. I want to see. Like far away from it, that looks really freaking cool.
Right.
Like imagine driving around like that.
I might have to rig something up.
How tall that freaking tree is. I would love to put some huge ass tree up there. That would be so cool to me.
Right.
Just put a huge tree, and this is with the light. Without the light, with the light. You want to put it on the Jeep?
I got this. It's got a hole in it.
Gotcha. Oh, that'd probably work. Oh, it's gonna be so close. Oh, it's gonna be no.
No.
We are literally like maybe 6 inches away. No.
Oh no.
Hold on, let me see what I can do. On the back of the Jeep.
Yes, sir.
Now that's Christmas right there.
The perfect height.
That's the holiday spirit. That's so cool.
Yes.
They're driving by. They love it. I know it. They love it. I think when we go to the show next weekend, we got to do this. This has to be done at the show next weekend. I'm gonna need a bigger tree though. So this is our super cheap truck mod, super cheap Walmart truck mod, Christmas edition. The only issue we're running into right now is if we take this to a show or something, we're not 25 feet away from my house. So if we take this to a show, we have to find some kind of external source. Now we could probably plug this up. Do you have a spot to plug into your truck, in your Jeep?
I don't.
I do, but I know that like one strand of Christmas lights of like 250 will kill the battery. I did that a couple years ago, and it'll kill the battery like quick.
Okay.
So the only issue with these for 25 bucks is we still got to figure out how to power these away from the house, which isn't a huge deal, but for the sake of the video, I think this looks awesome. If you guys think so, drop a like, drop a comment, show some love. I still got those HOA fines to pay for at some point. I got until the 12th of December, and maybe I'm gonna pay it in pennies. I don't know. Maybe I'll channel my inner Dalton Bertrand and pay him in pennies. You shout out to Dalton down there in Panama City. I miss you. But we got some awesome content coming. Thank you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. I got great stuff on the way. Huge shout out to Ted for coming through and filming with me today. Love the Jeep. Follow my man on Instagram. I'll see you guys next time. Let's get this Christmas. Let's get this
Gingerbread?
Gingerbread? Oh, gingerbread? Hell yeah.
Gingerbread, that's what I'm talking about.